Tamaiti, Faleata style. I remember the day I called mama on the phone. Told her, mama, I'm getting married. I heard her voice on the other side. I knew she was smiling. Then she asked me something, and I answered with pride. She said, son, did you take the time just to know her? I said, mama, she's the best. But today it hurts me so to go back to mama and say, mama, I'm getting divorced. Oh, mama, I'm getting divorced. This choice I made